It is a hot day in Calgary, just like it's a hot day at Tower Chrysler to show you this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus and a bright white exterior. It rides on 18-inch Michelin Premier all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Heading to the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side or the front passenger, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 27,005 kilometers. This Pacifica comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. It also comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here, or on your Uconnect touchscreen. Heading to the second row, we have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as stow and go, along with lots of leg space. Heading to the third row, we have 3 more seats with lots of leg space. Heading up top, you have the third of your tri-zone climate control system. And for entertainment purposes, behind the front seats is your Uconnect entertainment system. Once you're done in the back here, there's the button right here, activating the power sliding door. Heading to the trunk area, we have plenty of cargo space. If you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold stow and go. Once you're done in the back, you have another button activating the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.